How to make money on Upwork as a data science consultant. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from this platform. So let's get started by creating our account, and here make sure to join as a freelancer looking for work. Then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you will proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then click on create my account, and for me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account in the platform, and here I'm going to enter my email, continue with email and then password. Then click on login, and after that you proceed to creating your profile. So here, this is the last step of creating your profile. As you can see, you can fill this information, but let's go back to start from the beginning, the first steps of creating our profile. So let's go back. And this is the first step of creating the profile. So here, let's get started. And here we have a question, and we have 3 answers to choose from. First, have you freelanced before? So choose the answer that fits your situation. Then click on next to proceed to the next question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? And here you have 4 answers again. Choose the one that fits you. Then click on next. And for the third question, how would you like to work? I advise you to choose all of these answers. They are all helpful. And after that, click on next to create a profile. So here you have 3 options to choose from in order to create your profile. You can either import your information from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume from your desktop, or you can fill it out manually. It will take less than 5 minutes. It will not even be 15 minutes. So let's go with filling it out manually. Start on your profile, and here enter your skill, which is a data science consultant. Then click on next to add your experience. So here, add your previous work experience. After that, you proceed to add in your education history. In here, add your education history. After that, you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak. So here we have English, which is a must in this platform. You cannot work in here without speaking English. And here you choose your level in English. My level in it is conversational. Then you do the same if you want to add other languages. So I'm going to add 2 more languages. The second one is my native language, which is Arabic, and the third one is French. I have studied French in school. So here my level is native and my level is basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here they've already suggested some skills for us, like a data science, scientific illustration, science, and the maximum that you can add is 15 skills. So make sure to use these spots wisely. And then I'm going to add these skills. Then click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio. As you can see, a small text and some bullet points. So guys, if you want to enter a good bio for your profile, you will just need to go to ChatGPT and type, I'm a data science consultant. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you'll get a very decent bio. You'll just need to copy and paste it in here and add some personal information to it to make it look customized. And then you're good to go. For me, I'm going to take Marty's bio and paste it in here in order to proceed to the next step, which is choosing your categories. So here you can search for a category in this list, or you can just choose the suggested ones, which is accounting and consultant, data analysis and testing, data design and visualization. I'm going to choose data analysis and testing, and data design and visualization. Then click on next to set your rate. So here I'm going to go with $30 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here fill the location information, and for uploading a photo, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with creating your profile, I'm going to show you a strategy that I use personally in order to improve my profile to get as many clients as possible. So the strategy is basically going to the main page and looking for my competitors, people that are doing the same skill like mine, and then finding the highest earner amongst them. So here, let me show you how I do that. So for example, this is my competitors in here. And what I do is I look for the highest earner amongst them, the one that earned more than everyone, and then I see why is he standing out more than the others, what is he doing differently than the others, and I try to implement that to my profile easily. So here let's begin our search for the highest earner, more than 100 grand. So here let's see if we can find anything more than 100 grand. So this one earned more than 100 grand as well. More than 200 grand. I think that's the highest, more than 300 grand, and he gets paid $150 per hour. I think that's the highest earner. Let's check the last page, which is the 4. It's not the last, but last for me. So here we have this one who earned more than $400,000, and he gets paid $300 per hour. So that's our highest earner. So that's the one we're going to spy on his profile, see what is he doing differently, and try to implement that to our profile. And guys, if you want to find more work in this platform, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and here enter your skill in the search box, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for the same skill like the one you offer, and you can apply for those jobs. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.